And what the hell is on Joey's head? And this is where I grew up. I think the present owner fixed it up. I never knew he ever went without. The second floor is off for sneaking out. And this is where I went to school. Most of the time I'd better things to do. Criminal record says I've broken twice. I must have done it half a dozen times. I wonder if it's too late. Should I go back and try to graduate? Life's better now than it was back then. If I was them, I would've let me in. Oh, 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 oh God. Every memory of looking out the back door. I had the photo album spread out on my bedroom floor. It's hard to say it, time to say it. Goodbye, goodbye. Every memory of walking out the front door. I found the photo of the friend that I was looking for. It's hard to say it, time to say it. Goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye. Remember the old arcade? Blew every dollar that we ever made. The cops hated us hanging out. They said somebody went and burned it down. We used to